Hello everyone and welcome back to Arts and Crafts Kingdom. Today I'm going to show you how to draw this cool Super Mario 3D question box. Make sure to watch all the way to the end to see if I show the artwork that you have sent in on today's episode. Grab some pens and papers and let's get started. First, we are going to draw a square. Feel free to use a ruler if you need, that's totally fine. Great! Now we need to make it look 3D. We are going to draw a cube. Let's draw a line above the square, slightly to the right. Then drag it down along the side of the square and stop just before the edge of the first square. Now connect to the edges by drawing 3 oblique lines. Just like this. Moving on, let's draw the question mark in the middle of the box. Just follow what I'm doing and take your time. Remember, you can always rewind the video and watch all the steps as many times as you like. Good, let's now draw the same shape on the right side of the cube. Don't worry, all you have to do is draw it slightly tilted to the left and stretched towards the corner. Just like this. Time to color in. Choose your favorite color and color in the question box. I'm choosing yellow. Remember to take your time with this. It's all about having fun. Now grab a marker and let's draw some black dots in each corner of our cube. Grab a pencil and let's do some shading around the question marks. This will make them stand out. And that's it! We have now drawn our cool Super Mario 3D question box. Well done, everyone! I hope you had fun, and remember, as always, practice makes perfect. Now it's time for Let's Show Your Art. In this part of the episode, we show all the amazing arts and crafts you guys have sent in. Today's art was sent in by Willow. I think you did an amazing job with your watch. The colors and the pattern make it very colorful and unique. Well done, Willow. If you would like to send in your arts and crafts for us to show in one of our videos, then please send it to this email address. And that's all we have time for today. Make sure to like this video by pressing the thumbs up button and press the subscribe button below to be the first to watch new videos every week. Also, don't forget to tell your friends in school about Arts and Crafts Kingdom. See you soon!